Are you interested in starting a potato farming business in South Africa? Potato farming can be a profitable venture in the agricultural industry. In this video, we will guide you through the process of getting started. First, you need to find a suitable piece of land with good soil conditions. Make sure the land has access to water and is away from industrial pollution. Department of Agriculture, Land Reform, and Rural Development can assist in terms of land since they provide support to farmers. The department provides support and resources to small-scale and emerging farmers to help them become more successful in the agricultural sector. Next, obtain the necessary permits and licenses required for farming. Prepare the land by clearing it of any debris or vegetation and plowing it properly. Test the soil for nutrient levels and pH balance to determine suitable fertilizers. Choose high-quality potato seeds from reputable suppliers for planting. Decide on the potato variety based on market demand and adaptability to local climate. Plant the seeds at the right depth and spacing, ensuring adequate sunlight and water. Implement proper irrigation techniques to avoid over or underwatering. Monitor the plants for pests and diseases, using organic methods for control. Regularly weed the farm to prevent weed competition and maintain plant health. When the potatoes are ready, harvest them carefully to minimize damage and bruising. Sort and grade the harvested potatoes based on size and quality. Store the potatoes in well-ventilated, cool, and dark conditions to prevent spoilage. Market your potatoes through local markets, supermarkets, or direct selling. Create a brand and packaging that appeals to your target customers. Advertise your business through social media, local newspapers, and word of mouth. Join agricultural associations and attend farming conferences to network and gain insights. Maintain accurate financial records to manage costs and track profitability. Continuously evaluate and improve your farming practices based on feedback and market trends. Consider diversifying into potato products such as chips or frozen fries to increase revenue. Invest in machinery and technology to streamline operations and improve efficiency. Attend training programs and workshops to enhance your farming knowledge and skills. Remember, patience and perseverance are key in the potato farming business. Farming potatoes in South Africa can be profitable, but is by no means an easy endeavor. With proper planning and hard work, you can achieve success in this venture. Remember to start small and grow your business as time progresses. So, what are you waiting for? Get started on your potato farming journey today.